I reset up my camera, and this is on video where it's supposed to be the best setting, and the only thing I've done different was put C1 for the normal stuff. C1, how are you? How do you look? Oh, you're real bright. But once I start to walk and move, do I get jittery? And that's where we start to go into off of Pro. Pro is not on. Low light, priority, enable. It's above auto low light, enable. It is not in Pro Fish, and that was my problem. I was always looking in Pro. This is without Pro, low light, priority, enabled. It makes the video dark. It takes away the jitters. It's supposed to make the camera look much better. Well, if you could figure out what low light priority enable is, then you'd be able to go into the Pro and set your camera up manually, which is what we do to get the best shot without being so dark. So I'm back to those fantastic savings. It should be brighter, better, smoother, and crisper. The only thing I can do and think of to make my video brighter, and I don't want to do it, go into the ISO minimum, increase it from 100 above, force it to be brighter. But you know, that introduces noise. I can also go to the EV exposure value and increase that to the positive side, just a little bit. But that brings in contrast. I'm guessing. Yes, I am. Well, look, the tree got a little handicap. Oh, I apologize for the last two videos. I don't know why it took Pro off. I know why. Because it's a glitch. No, it's a flaw. And when you have C1 on and you're changing to the video, it sometimes changes the Pro and doesn't switch back. Or maybe I made a mistake and thought I was on. Because I am Pro. Ah, man! Now I look awesome. I don't have to be a pro at it. Well, I forgot my DJI microphone. No, I left the mic home. I forgot my Tech mic, and that's what I wanted to bring with me on this little windy day. So I hope the video audio quality is good, because the software I'm using doesn't do a great job in taking out artificial intelligence in... Did I say that right? It doesn't take out the wind noise with the artificial intelligence. I got that right. Well, that is the first issue I found. No, it isn't. It's like the 10th issue I found. I got many issues, more than you can imagine. Oh man, again the park is quiet. I gotta do this review. It's just a little too cold for me to sit up and do it right now. So maybe when it warms up, I got time. Stay tuned for that. I look pretty good. I think I had something just not right in the camera. Well, let me try again to tell you my settings. I put the camera on C1, default, 4K, 24 frames per second. Field of view, I hope it's on D-Warp. If not, it's on wide. I'll change it to D-Warp on both of them. I like D-Warp. I don't like the wideness. Rocksteady. I don't use Rocksteady Plus or the Horizon Balance. And I do use them, just don't use them right now. And I have auto low light enabled, and that should be everything about it on No Pro. Go into the Pro side. I go and put the sharpness -2. Don't like sharpness. And I put the video noise reduction -1. I don't want it to be -2. I want it to be -1. And I put the ISO 100 all the way up to 12,800 minimum to maximum, because I want a little bit more brightness in my video. 3200 didn't cut it. The 64, 128, 800, whatever. And then I got the shutter 1/100th through 8,000. Did I forget anything? No, I don't think so. I think you got it all done. And this video is all DJI internal audio. I don't know if you see the sky, if it's really pixelated, noisy, but I'm gonna walk and head on back. Call it an early day. I got a lot of things to do, and I got some important things to take care of, and now I gotta learn something new. And thank you very much. Appreciate those comments. Show a like, share love. You got it. Like and subscribe if you like. Now, so I got new software. I'm not proud. I'm happy. I'm not happy. It takes a lot to please me. But I gotta take time to use it. Once I get used to it, doesn't take a day, fish. It takes a number of days. I gotta redo my custom title part. I gotta learn to do a project and put my titles down and lock one of the the tracks. And then my editing should go smooth. There's a lot to do with editing. You just can't put videos in there and edit. That's what I do. I watched a gentleman's video. He's from Amsterdam, and he showed using Macintosh, and man, he's got this timeline like so big with everything all in there. I don't know how you can see that. He's got different folders for different cameras, and he's got all his titles and effects on there. He says he just simply drags it over those scenes. I'm not sure how he edits and gets the job done. And he's got all those quick cuts. Yeah, man, you know who does that too. And yeah, I'm more about real life talk and sharing the fun. I could do those shortcuts and everything. But, say 3-second words and then go to the next scene, say 3-second words and go to the next scene. Yeah, man, I got a lot to learn. I know it. Do my best. I edit very easy. I do things the simple way. And that's how I like things. Well, I'm walking pretty fast because I'm getting pretty cold. And I'm going to be doing a lot of other things. I'm going to get my things going. And on that note, I know who I am. I hope my voice traveled to the camera because I don't have a mic today. And I know having no mic, you got to talk near the camera. I want to give a shout out. Big O. Oh man, Big O, you and me thinking the same. You know what I mean. OP3. Now, yeah, I got a P2. It's my sis. And I'm going to use those settings you say, but she's going to have to take the camera back. And I'm still thinking very hard. And Best Buy has an OP3. And it's 3 days to deliver, 5 days to pick up. I'm just still deciding if it's worth $222 for me, because I got some special funds to get, give, share, and love. And on that note, I'm Fish. I'm out of here.